Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Pay and confirming you're signed into the correct Google account. This ensures you modify the right contact list. Once done, tap the menu icon and choose the People or Contacts area. Make sure your network is stable so changes sync. If you don't see People, tap Profile or Settings to reveal linked contacts. This initial step gets you to the precise list where contacts and payment permissions are managed, so you can remove the right entry next. Now locate the contact. Use the search field or scroll through the list until you find the person. Tap their name to open the contact details, where you'll see shared payment methods, history, or linked devices. Once visible, tap the Overflow menu or More options and select Remove, Delete, or Block depending on what Google Pay shows. This action severs their access and clears stored payment links. Be deliberate so you don't delete the wrong contact. If prompted, confirm to complete the removal. Finish by confirming the deletion prompt and then return to the contact list to ensure the person is gone. This verifies the change synced to your account. If the contact still appears, sign out of Google Pay and sign back in, which forces a sync. If problems continue, clear the app cache or install updates. Sometimes stale app data prevents updates. As a final tip, check your linked Google contacts and remove the entry there too, because syncing can reintroduce removed contacts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.